guys, John here at 1984 Barbecue. Today I'm doing a cook in remembrance of Phil from Phil N Florence. Phil passed away approximately about 2 weeks ago from the day I filmed this. Um, anyways, I'm doing a cook on my PVC, my pit barrel cooker. I seen him do one 2 months ago, and he did a whole chicken cut in half, and he was real simple with it. It was just salt, pepper, and I added salt, pepper, garlic with mine. And up here is what I seasoned it with. I seasoned it with a little bit of duck fat on the skin, and I used Malcolm Reed's TX brisket rub for the salt, pepper, and garlic on there. So Phil, I hope I do this justice, and let's get started, guys. Here we go. Pit barrel running. I'm just running Kingsford charcoal in there, and I got one piece of mesquite in there, mesquite wood. We'll go ahead and get this off. It is windy, so I gotta be quick about it. I scraped this grate off already, guys, and I hit it with some duck fat as well. There's the chickens, guys. Look at those bad boys right there. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these half chickens. I seasoned both sides with this, guys. Scoot that over there like so. I've never cooked these type of half chickens, guys, ever. It's the first time on my channel doing this. But Phil made it look really easy, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Alright. That mesquite wood smells really good, you guys. Got them chickens in there. Get you off here on the tripod, get you down in there. Look at those bad boys right there. Looking good, looking good. Alright, I'm gonna let these chickens roll for probably about an hour or so, and then I'm gonna probably put a thermometer in the breast, and we'll go from there, guys. Alright, it's been a little over an hour, and I'm gonna put a probe in the chicken. It's got a beautiful color on it already. Hope you guys can see that. Try to bring it towards it. But there's the color on that chicken. Man, it looks good. We're gonna get a probe in the thickest part of the breast. That's what we're going for here. There we go. Alrighty, it's reading about 144, so 145. Hang on, let me get y'all away from that. Alrighty, so it's reading 145. We need to go 165. These got a little bit longer to go. What I'm going to do, what I saw him do at a certain point, probably when it hits 155 or so, 155, 160, I'm probably going to flip them over skin side down and get that skin kind of crisped up. And I'm probably going to take the rebar out of it to get it a little hotter. So that's going to be my goal. But right now we're at 145, and we're just shy of an hour and 30 minutes or so. So hopefully this will be done here shortly, guys, and I'll bring you back when we get ready to flip them. We're at 157, so we're going to check these chickens. They got a beautiful color on them already. But I want to get these birds flipped over. Get this rebar out of here real quick. I want to flip his bird over and get that skin a little bit crispy. So get my tongs underneath there here. We're just going to, there he goes. Look at that color, guys. Can you see that color on there? Nice grill color on there. Go ahead and get this rebar back in place. Alright. It's the other one here. And we're going to flip his bird over. We're going to try to keep that probe in place. Oh, that thing's getting tender, guys. See that? Look at that leg. They're going to fall apart. Alright, now we got that on there. Still got our probe in place. Good. Alright, I'm going to keep these skin side down, guys, until it reaches 165, which won't take long, hopefully. And I'll bring you back when we pull these bad boys off. Cut them up. Our chickens out, guys. Right here, as you can see, beautiful chickens. Alright, they look really good. I'm going to bring these up to y'all to see a little better. There they are. They look really good, super juicy. There's juice running in here. Let's get a little bit of this breast, you guys, real quick. Oh yeah, that's nice and done. Yep, nice and done. So let's get a little chunk of this breast right here. There we go. Super juicy, guys. Super. Oh God, my hand is all the wrong way. There it is. Super juicy. Okay. Nice skin color. Hey guys, got it done. Let's take a taste test of this. The skin's bite through, guys. Super juicy. Has a little bit of smoke flavor in it, but it's really good. Phil, I hope it made you proud, buddy. This was really good cook. I've never done these type before like that by cutting the whole chicken in half and running the halves. That's turned out excellent on the pit barrel. The rub was simple, guys. Anyways, Phil, you're gonna be greatly missed, brother. Um, anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave it at that. Remember, um, I'll leave a hashtag in the description box for all the other channels. Okay. And click that hashtag, and that'll take you to all the other channels in this collaboration in remembrance of Phil. Okay. Anyways, guys, take care. God bless. Give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one.